Good morning, students. Our previous chapter, the last chapter, was relations and functions. Okay, that is not a very lengthy chapter, but it is a confusing chapter. But you have studied the chapter very well and you scored full mark in the test paper. Okay, congrats. And today we can discuss a new chapter, probability. Comparing to the last lesson, this chapter probability is very easy. Okay, and only some topics are there. Okay. First, we can study the random experiment and sample space. Okay, I know you heard the concept probability from 8th standard onwards. The word probability means chance. Okay, do you remember what is probability? How will you find the probability of an event? That all you have studied. Okay, probability means chance. Okay, in probability, the experiments are known as random experiment. Okay, you heard the word at random. A coin is tossed at random. A ball is taken at random. Okay, at random is related to the random experiment. What is random experiment? Okay. Random experiment means that experiment consists of more than one result and we cannot predict the result in advance. See the example tossing a coin. A coin consists of two results, head and tail. If both the faces are head, then no need of probability, no chance. That is sure, we know. Okay, but a coin consists two results, head and tail. Okay, then we cannot predict which one will appear, head or tail. Those experiments are called random experiment. Then what is random experiment? An experiment which consists of more than one result and we cannot predict the result in advance. Okay, such experiments are called random experiment. Okay. Then in probability, the results. Okay, the results are also known as outcome. The another word for result is outcome. What are the outcomes when a coin is tossed? Okay, what does it mean? Yeah, the result. Okay, what are the results? Head, tail. When a die is thrown, can you say the outcome? Yes, the face number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the word outcome means result. Is it okay? Then the set of all outcomes or set of all results of an experiment is called sample space. The sample space is denoted by the letter S, capital S. The what is sample space? Sample space is the set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment. Okay. In sample space, each outcome or each result is called sample point. Okay. In sample space, each result or outcome is called sample point. What is it? Sample point. Okay. Example, a coin is tossed. Can you say the sample space? What do you mean by sample space? Set of all possible results. Okay, what is the experiment? Tossing a coin. What are the results? Head, tail. How will you write the sample space? S equal to set H, comma, T. Okay, and here inside the sample space, each element H and T, they are known as sample point. Got it? Then a die is thrown. Can you say the sample space? Die throwing. Okay, throwing a die. Okay, what are the outcomes? Yes, the face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then sample space S is set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Then a coin is tossed 2 times. A coin is tossed 2 times. How will you write the sample space? Yes, 2 times. Okay. Then first time head, second time also head, head, head. H, H. Head, head. Or the first time head, second time tail. We can write HT. Then first time tail, second time head. We can write TH. Or both time it is tail, TT. Then we can write the sample space as HH, HT, TH, TT. Is it right? Okay. Then if a coin is tossed 3 times, how will you write? 3 times. Okay. 3 times means yes, all are head. Or 2 heads, 1 tail. Or 1 tail, Is two tail, one head, or three tails? Okay, and arrange in the order. H, 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 all are tails. H, H, T, two head, one tail. Okay, two head, one tail means that tail appears either on the first coin or second coin or third coin. Okay, we can arrange in three times. That is HHT, THH, HTH. Then one head and two tails. That head appears either on the first coin or second or third. We can write HTT, TTH, THT. Okay, then all our tails TTT. This sample space contains 8 outcomes or 8 sample points. Okay, you have studied the formula. If a coin is tossed once, okay, how many results are there? 2. If a coin is tossed twice, then 2 raised to 2. A coin is tossed 3 times, 2 cube. A coin is tossed 4 times, 2 raised to 4. That formula you have studied in 10th standard. Okay, do you remember? Then if a die is thrown, how many results are there? 6. A die is thrown 2 times. Okay, can you say how many results are there? Yes, 6 square, 2 times 6 square, 3 times 6 cube, 4 times 6 raised to 4. Okay. You must remember that formula. Then what is random experiment? An experiment which consists of more than one result and we cannot predict the result in advance. Such experiments are called random experiment. Okay. And in probability, the results are also known as outcome. What is it? Outcome. Then set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space and which is denoted by the letter S. Okay. And each element of the sample space is called sample point. What is it? Sample point. Okay. You watch this video and write the definition. Okay. And this first exercise related to sample space. Okay. 15 or 16 questions are there. The experiments are different. We have to write the sample space. Okay. Then next we can do the exercise. The first exercise, that is 16.1. Okay. We can do the first exercise 16.1, that is related to sample space. Okay. You know what is sample space? What is sample space? Set of all possible results of a random experiment. The write the sample space means you have to write all the possible results. Okay.